Sho Madjozi kuwaika mudoti choka kujoni cheleka airport ndafika V-town tikamwe umodzi wamasese kapena vele moti mukandiona basi ndipatseni moni ndakhazikika basi ndipatseni plot ndilindima hiti mushitsonga muswahili muchichewa za chingende sitima panga fosi akuti iwe banji ukuzipopa ine basi kutetsa kunyoza kazi wakumadzi samagwidwa ndizoba joy ndamaliza tieni kumowa basi.
My word! Ladies and gentlemen, that is Sho Madjozi on Maiden Monday. Killer freestyle. Madisama and Chichewa, she does rap even in Chichewa. Freestyle on fire! Ah man, you're in your zone. You're in your zone.
Oh my God. Was that Young K?
That was, yes, Young K instrumental. Kusumana. Kusumana, it's lovely. It's lovely.
Legendary. He's such a legend. Shout out to him.
Oh man, Young K, wherever you're at, Sho Madjozi says you're legendary.
He's such a cool guy, and his raps were cold. Like they were cold. That guy was crazy, actually.
He still is doing it. He still is doing it. Yeah, he still is regarded as one of the best. So you're not wrong.
Tiny dress sharper than the edge of a knife. Hey, come on, bro. Respect that man.
He is great. And
thank you, Mr. Joey.
No, thank you so much for coming through. And that freestyle was lovely. We definitely enjoyed it.